Do you have a CorelDRAW file saved in a newer version, but now you need to open it in an older version like X7, X5, or X3? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you a quick and easy method to convert your file to any older version using a helpful online tool. Visit ahsanconvert.com, a free and easy-to-use website that helps you downgrade your CorelDRAW files within seconds. Just drag and drop your CDR file, choose your desired version, and hit convert.no installation. No complicated steps, it's fast, simple, and completely online. Perfect for design. Once the conversion is complete, click on the download button. Your file has been successfully converted. Now you can use it in any older version of CorelDRAW. Here is your converted file. It's now ready and compatible with the older version of CorelDRAW you selected. You can go ahead and download it, open it in your software, and continue working without any issues. This simple method ensures that your designs are always accessible, no matter which version